Look at this bulb. Why isn't it lighting up? Let's find out. This circuit has a problem. Can you spot it? Here it is. There is a gap in the wire. The path is broken. When the path is broken, electric current cannot flow. Electric current say, "Oh no, I can't get through." Let's fix the problem. We need to connect the wire. Great! Now the path is complete. This is called a closed circuit. Look what happened! The current can flow and the bulb lights up. Let's review. Open circuit, the path is broken, the bulb is off. Closed circuit, the path is complete, the bulb is on. Remember, electric current needs a complete path to flow.